Ekionga chinsanye chobutuko bwiga bwa rero litukura Jumatano litukura baswati toko chaka korase county ya Nyamira abwa saba ari mwa banene bechi secondary gosebe chi skuru che secondary anene mono chiri chi serikali chi skuru emye yemo merongo kyandane yemo korase county ya Nyamira bakoreke ikano asiba umirana ase skuru ya banyaruka ya kebabe egotoka ebungi ya North Mugirango ase county yu na ukwanera emerobere yechisemi ase county yu korende abobisa na boiga ba director bechisemi anene mono kurase wizara yechisemi ase county ya Nyamira mboikira na sege ikareke
none naboni go baba bagokwanira chiskuru chiri cha Nyamira buna chabete chigokora samatemo ari manene yo makweta ase nonya igo babeka emeroberio ni chiskuru echo chimuna chira chikoerikia gosegokoria ase amatemo
Omo director bwechisemi imeye county ya Nyamira Joshua Kaga nigo atebire barache korwa amaigerio gochiase abarimu bechisukuru che secondary kubwatekana na masomo ya grade ya 10 ayo arache gochaka bene gochakira umwaka umoja.
This year we expect to do a lot of preparations for CBC grade 10 and I believe already we have started to sensitize your both because we shall do a lot also to sensitize you on what is expected because the CBC curriculum is slightly different from what we are actually teaching in the current curriculum. And the grade 10 you have heard that we shall have different institutions offering the different pathways, so that way we shall be able to have a lot of changes in
Gukwana chingaki chege ikaro kyabarimu abanene bonzi bechisukuru che secondary imeye county ya Nyamira anda na yemo che serikali nigo igikaro ekyo yakorekana ase skuru ya banyaruka ya kebabe egotoka ewadi ya Itibo ebunge ya North Mugirango boigo omo director korwase kyombe ge kubarika abarimu kya TSC imeye county ya Nyamira Eric Magak kwanera igoro yomoroberio okubakinia ebirogo abarimu oyo ogenderete imeye county ya Nyamira.
TPAD is important because it's an appraisal process that we also use for our promotions. TSC interviews will be starting secondary schools next week for the next 10 days.
To upgrade 46,000 teachers in JSS, and we have also been able to recruit another 20,000 interns. The issue we have dealt with is promotion of teachers. The last 10 days we have been working very hard in promoting primary school teachers. And the coming week we shall come to you in the secondary school sector.
Kubatikana na machibu ya matema manene a KCSE y'umwaka oita nigo county ya Nyamira ya mentete emin yekoreng'aniwa n'umwaka bw'ekirububere na merongo ebere na isato ase umwaka oyo bw'ekirububere na merongo ebere na inye nigo barikya emin ya isano nemo n'ekirukuta ibere inye enoti maiga ya matokeo ayo amaya nigo umudirector oyo bw'ekisemi Joshua aira chinga kyecho ase okuboria ababunge bonzi korwasi chibunge inye imeye county ya Nyamira komenta chibesa chechipasari echo anene chigosira abana so kubakanira school fees.
See how whether they can be able to increase the amount of bursaries they are giving to the schools or to the learners such that we can be able to lower the burden that goes to the parents. Otherwise, schools have a lot of debts and because the parents are not.
Kingo reporter ya Getembe kurwase ewadi eyeiga ya Itibo eyo egotoka ime yebunge ya North Mugirango county ya Nyamira Jeff Atgad Hizimba.